Well, let's tell you how the hijab ban controversy has once again taken its course in Karnataka, with the state chief minister Siddaramaiah saying that the government will withdraw the ban on hijab soon. Well, it was in the middle of a public meeting when one of the youth there questioned him about the hijab ban, to which he answered this, saying that he is willing to take back the hijab ban, which, remember, in the state of Karnataka is there in all educational institutions, and it was challenged in the High Court. The High Court upheld that ban, following which it went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has now deferred it to a higher bench. So right now it is pending in the highest courts of our land. In the midst of this, listen into what the Chief Minister has said.
Hijab, adu ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆದೇಶ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿ? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀಯ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಾಡು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. ಹಕ್ಕು ನನ್ನ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನು ಧೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜುಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀವು. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಡವರು, ದಲಿತರು, ಹಿಂದುಳಿದವರು, ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ.
Well, with that, there is more breaking news which is coming in. Massive storm has already hit Siddaramaiah's hijab ban statement that he is going to withdraw it. Now, BJP has strongly condemned this move. Listen in.
Bharatiya Janata Party strongly condemns the move of the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. We strongly object the move of the Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji pertaining to hijab issue. Repeatedly, Honorable High Court of Karnataka, the Supreme Court of this country has clearly expressed their concern on this issue. The statement of Siddaramaiah is really unfortunate.
Well, let me go across to Deepak Bopanna, who's joining us from Bengaluru with the very latest on this massive storm, of course, understandably and perhaps even intentionally kicked off by the Chief Minister. You must put this soundbite into the context of which he said it, and more importantly, contextualize the entire hijab ban, which is still pending in the Supreme Court, isn't it?
Well, it's an interesting scenario at the moment, because the matter, of course, is pending in the Supreme Court of the country. Earlier, of course, the matter which created ripples across the country was taken up by the Karnataka High Court, which said that, whatever the Karnataka government order was, it in fact upheld it. People, of course, moved the Supreme Court, which now has been recommended, of course, to a larger bench. While all of this is in place, Mr. Siddaramaiah was speaking in Mysore at an event. The crowd there, one of them brings up the issue of hijab. That's when he says that nobody has to worry about hijab anymore. They can wear what they want, they can eat what they want, and he's nobody to decide about food choices or the people's clothing choices. He says that the earlier order of the government would be revoked. Now, it's going to be interesting which, how is he really going to navigate through this, considering the fact that this is, of course, right now in the courts as well.
If this is still sub judice, the Supreme Court still looking into that entire issue, this statement of Siddaramaiah, is it more politics and posturing than actually concrete promise? We'll have to wait and see. Thank you so much, Deepak, for putting that into perspective. With that, a short break.